Goodness gracious, good morning. And I have an empty shop. There is a great lack of motorcycles in that area, as it is a motorcycle-free area. An area sans motorcycle. Sans soul motorcycle. Anyway, so what I'm going to do is I've got Fred up here, and I'm going to take him down because I've ordered all the parts I need, and they won't be in for probably late this week. So I'm going to take him down and put my Norton up there and see if I can get it running. My poor bike hasn't been running at least a couple of years, and if I can get him running and then get the Triumph running, I can then put the two of them up for sale. So that's the plan. I'm going to try to get these bikes up on the lift and get them sold. They should be ridden. They should go to somebody who can enjoy them. The Norton has some historical value in that it is the bike that started the International Norton Owners Association back in 1975. It's a one-owner bike. It's a one-rider bike. I own this bike since it was new, and nobody else has ever ridden it. So one owner, one rider, and I'm going to get it running. Got an Alton on it, single Mikuni. It's a nice bike, and it's fast as all get out. And my little trumpet that I bought, basically a bike in a box, and spent way too much money on it. And so it's a 68 Triumph 500 that I converted to two carbs, and I got all kinds of hop-up stuff inside the engine. Neat little bike. So anyway, I'm going to take this one down and put the Norton up and see if I can make it go boom, boom, boom. All right, let's do a walk and talk. Fred's over here. I got a pan under him. He's not leaking oil. That's not an oil leak, even though oil is coming out of the bike. It is not an oil leak. What it is the sump oil is coming out the bottom mounting oil right there, hole. That's the hole where the side case gets bolted into one of the studs. So when it's on its side, the oil that was in the sump came out that hole. So it's not a leak, it's just coming out that hole. Okay, Starship Snoopy is on the lift. Let's do a walk around. We'll do a walk and talk. Starting at the back, it's got a chrome fender up underneath that I cut to match the fastback. The badge back here is original to this fastback tail section. It was on it when I bought it. It's been painted twice and masked out, so because you can't remove that without killing it. So that's original to this tail section that I bought. The bike was yellow, and now it was red. Now it's red. I don't know what the original color was. I thought these were really cool turn signals. They look good, feel good, taste good, work good. Hagon shocks. These are real, honest to goodness Dunstall DB mufflers. Bought them in 1975, and they say Dunstall right there. Yep, these are Dunstall DBs. I ran the sump pressure out the back end here. Oh my goodness, so many things. Setbacks. This is fake. I had it inline working for a long time, but then I had the AMR mod done, so I just took the guts out of here. So this is just a tube now, and the AMR is keeping the oil from leaking down from the tank into the engine. Now, it's been sitting here, I thought it was 2 or 3 years. Well, guess what, guys? Here's the tag, December 2020. So it's been sitting for 5 years. So I guarantee that molecule by molecule, the oil has seeped down into the engine. So I'm expecting the sump to be full. I'm going to pull the plugs out, dump the sump, dump the oil tank, put in a fresh filter. Probably go ahead and just pull the carb off and make sure it's not crudted up. I did drain the tank, so that's one good thing I did. Has a boiler in it, and the Alton electric starter, of course. This is a 7-gallon interstate tank steel that I bought. It's lined by Gas Tank Lining Corp out of California. It's a $450 job to line those tanks with epoxy, but oh my God, it's a work of art. Let's see if you can see inside here. Not really without some light. You can, oh, it just feels so good. I'll show you with a flashlight after a while. Dashboard up underneath of the Reed Titan fairing. The bike was at Sturgis in 2000. What else on this side? Oh, stainless steel braided lines going up to the banjo bolt, and out of the banjo bolt on the other side, I think over here, is where I tapped off the fitting that came with the oil pressure gauge that goes up to the gauge, which is hidden in here. I can see it when I ride, but it's down there out of sight normally. Okay, all the electric controls, all the controls are over here: turn, horn, high, low, flash, kill. Let's see. Has 1975 isolastics, front and rear, and top. Has a custom, I think this is a Colorado Norton Works head steady up in there, and it's very nice. Great big. Single Mikuni. That was the hot lick back then. Oh my goodness, what else? Passenger pegs. I offset these. I built this whole unit here to offset these passenger pegs out here right after my girlfriend at the time put her foot here with the boot heel here and melted her boot heel all over my DBs, and then was upset when I got upset when I had to clean those off. I also ended up buying her new pair of boots. That was on a trip to a rally in Colorado, going across through Four Corners. Oh, it was hot. But that was the day I blew the doors off of Brian Slark's RV. Passed him like a bullet. When we got to the rally, he pulled in. It was very embarrassing because I didn't know it was him at the time. He pulled in, walked over and said, "Oh, I knew that was you, Frank. Oh, I knew that was you." Oh, so many things. Anyway, let's see. I'm going to put fresh oil in it. I'm going to go through the carb, clean that, dump the sump, dump the tank, new filter, make sure the gas tank is dry, put a new battery in it, and that's the plan. So, and now, oh, I know what I'll show you under here. I have this seat up. Let's see if I can get it off. I have one-handed. I don't know if I can. This actually surprised me. The battery's in it. I really have thought all along that I took that battery out ever so long ago. And what really surprises me is, just for the heck of it, this is a fastback seat that I took the ears off of in order for it to fit the interstate tank. When I turned on the ignition and watch what happens. Let's get this on. Look at that. My little charge guide shows that it's got a few electrons left. Isn't that something? Huh. Did not expect that. All right, that's the tour. I guess I'll start thinking about getting ready.